are lots of settings that you can change on your EzyCourse site, and in this lesson we'll look at what those are. Now, if you ever need any help with the settings of your EzyCourse site, please do contact the support team. More than happy to help with any questions you've got. On your EzyCourse dashboard, you can get into the site settings section, and the first one we'll have a look at is general settings. This is divided with tabs along the top. On site information, you can change your site details, your website URL, and you can even set up your custom domain. You can change the email address that site emails come from, and you can set up your site branding and logos. On the Authentication settings tab, this is where you can do a number of things to set up the authentication of your site. So firstly, you can limit the amount of times a student can log in. That saves anybody sharing their user details with their friends and family. You can also change whether new signups are enabled, you can change whether emails need to be verified, and you can choose whether new members need to be manually approved. You can also set the login page that students get to after they log in each time. You can set up two-factor authentication, and you can set up sign up checkbox text that people must tick to accept when they sign up. You can also do the same on the checkout too. Now, in the payment section, this is where you can set up the currency of your EzyCourse site, and you can add in the different payment processors, Stripe, PayPal, etc. There's a growing choice to choose from. On connections, this is where you can connect your Google Calendar. So if you are selling appointments, you can connect your Google Calendar so that the appointment system can check your availability as well as put in the appointments that have been booked. You can change things around the cookie banner and whether that appears, and you can also change information that appears on any invoices from your site, including tax information. The global settings section allows you to do a number of things. You can turn your site into a site-wide membership, which basically means all the products available on your site will always divert to a membership purchase page across all of the site. You can set up things like how many times forms can be completed from each IP in a day, and you can also enable PayPal for affiliates. In the checkout section, there's things that you can control with regards to the checkout of your customers. Transactional emails allows you to edit emails that are generated by your site. You can also toggle on and off different emails that you receive from your site. The white label email section allows you to control where your emails are coming from. You can change the items available on student dashboards. You can look at login sessions that have occurred. You can change gamification settings. So there's a whole gamification system where you can allocate points to people based on their activity on your site. You can create a leaderboard of different people based on those points. And you can also change things about your video, which we're going to look at in a different lesson. Webhook in and webhook out is where you can send information to other platforms to allow you to integrate and automate some of the things that happen on your EzyCourse site with other platforms that you might have. So there's lots of settings that you can change in your EzyCourse site. I think the key is for you to go and have a look at them, and of course contact the EzyCourse support team with any questions you've got.